Open up the barbecue.
So special, something that you can't control, yeah. You're so special, I just wanna get a hold on, yeah. You're so special, I ain't gonna let you go, no.
What's up, LA gang? It's your girl, LA.
Hey, it's your girl, Aaliyah.
And we are about to do mukbang. So, the mukbang is going to be, we went to the gas station and we didn't have this brand before, but we're going to be trying the Rap Snacks.
Offset.
The Amigos.
Yeah.
And it says sour cream with a dab of ranch. That's the Amigos, the three Amigos. And then this rap snack is Romeo Miller masterpiece on for some of y'all that don't know.
Oh, guys.
Hold on. The flavor of this is barbecue with honey. Okay, we about to dig in. So.
And guys, it shows you the picture and the back.
Yeah, oh yeah. The picture of the artist is on the back. So there goes fine Romeo Miller.
It goes Amigos and Offset and Chase.
Okay, we're gonna open up both bags. Okay. You can open up and open up. I'm opening up the barbecue. You struggling? Okay, you got it, girl. Come over here. You okay? Did it get in your eye?
No.
Okay, so let's dig in. Wait, go wash my hands. I just washed my arm. It's different.
Let me taste this one.
It's different. Are you gonna make this video? Yeah. Okay. Here goes Zariah. For some of y'all that know, local region. We're doing this. Here goes the barbecue.
Ooh.
Which one is this? This is my favorite. What's that thing? Sour cream with a dab of ranch. Barbecue is my favorite. My favorite. Ew. I know it's like weird a little bit, right?
I don't like that.
But then you gotta keep. This is good though. You gonna like this?
This is my favorite.
Ew. You don't like it?
That's my dad.
Well, that is weird. Come over here.
I like those.
Yeah, I like the barbecue.
Got me the mukbang.
Barbecue's fire.
Yeah, they're not that good.
I know, right?
What is that called?
Sorry, amigos. We're not a big fan of this one.
Amigos, Bobby, you love your music.
We like the music. We like the other one they have. I don't know about that's a little weird.
With a dap.
So look, yesterday we attended the Greenwood event and it was dope. Ernestine Morris Johnson is the co-host. She's one of the hosts of it and owners, as well as Super for Suckers and what's his name? Oh yeah. What's his name? E-Trey. Or they're all a part of the same team. But anyway, I should have got two bags. It was dope. B. Simone was in the building.
Also, DC Fly.
DC Young Flyer.
Yeah, DC Young Fly.
Jackie O, his daughter's mom. Who else was there?
Oh, DC Fly girlfriend.
I said that already. Her name is Jackie O.
Oh, Jackie O and that one girl that we take a picture of. I
already said Ernestine.
Yeah, that's it.
It was fun. Aaliyah got to talk to B. Simone.
All right, I need some way more energy than that. Happy Greenlit Thursday!
B. Simone talked with her. Aaliyah kept going over there. Aaliyah was inviting every celebrity to her birthday party. And then I went to a double event today for people that's from Atlanta, or if you listen to the gospel station, Crystal Lee and Kadeem from the Ellis family hosted a event today for the St. Jude's Hospital. They had a lot of Million mill and popping women come out that own businesses, and we did a lot of networking. They gave us a lot of education. It was dope. So yeah, I just came from that, and now we just decided to do this. Well, let us know what you thought about this. We hope you like our video. We're about to get out of here, and we'll talk to you later.
So special, something that you can't control, yeah. You're so